Hey there, this is Zach from Boss Motors. I'm just responding to Mike and your interest on the Lexus IS250 that we have here. Making a little walk around video, especially for you, just so you can kind of see the car. I'll go over the car proof and stuff like that, show you inside. Very clean. This one is an all-wheel drive model, which is great. Take a look inside. Okay. So, for price on the car, it's $11,188 plus taxes and licensing. We don't charge any other fees with our cars here, so you know exactly what you're getting. $11,188 plus tax and licensing, and obviously licensing depends on whether or not you're getting new plates, transferring plates, whatever the case may be. Here is the car proof, okay? So as you can see, we disclose everything right away. So damage records found, no liens, Ontario registration, not actively declared stolen, no US history. It's a pretty clean car proof, and you have some service history down here as well. Now for the damage record, it will say right here. Okay, so there was 2 different claims, one for 915, and then that was in 2015, and then one for 3361, rear center of the vehicle and front left of the vehicle. So the first accident was a rear-ending incident, and then the second one was this car was rear-ended. So all those prices on those claims are taxes included, you know, shop rates and everything. So 3361 is probably around $1,000 damage plus your shop rates for any repairs, right? So front end of the vehicle. Mike, my name is Zach, like I said before at the beginning of this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at Boss Motors, or you can just respond to the email that I'm going to be sending back to you right now. And if you have any desire to come take a look at the car, do a test drive, we're totally okay with that, okay? Thanks a lot.